Hello and welcome to Be Informed. One way to make your spare time more productive and meaningful is to learn something new. Learn a new language, develop a new talent, or broaden your knowledge in your field. The best part is that you don't even have to leave your house because these certification courses are all provided online. If you are looking for such online courses, this video is for you. Stay tuned. After 2020, we all know survival in any job market is challenging. The level of competition is high, and with all of this, personal growth is essential. As a starting point, improve your communication skills. Improve your grasp of English language. I have quite many options for online English language courses. It's no surprise that one is British Council. That is one recommended the most. And this is because the teachers at the British Council are highly qualified and they can assist you in improving your English speaking, listening, reading and writing skills online while also increasing your confidence. There are some other alternative options for an online English language course. Some of them are Professional Language Center Qatar, Texas Training Center, Excellence Training Center. So other than British Council, these are 3 institutes available in Qatar that are providing English language courses and IELTS preparation. All of these have a website link that is provided in the description. Another crucial factor is the development of new skills. Specialized training programs can be acquired, and this can be done by obtaining qualifications that are relevant to your job or profession. If you are doing some project management job, then PMP certification is the kind of certification that can enhance your market value. These certifications help towards your present marketability, and to be honest, there is no end in sight to the certification process. Actually, it's a financial investment in one's own self. So don't hesitate in any kind of certifications that are relevant to your job or field. It's the need of our Qatar University's Center of Community Service and Continuing Education. The purpose of this center is to offer specialized training programs as well as variety of language programs. So the specialized programs they are offering includes Project Management Professional, Diploma in Human Resource Practice, Diploma in Human Resource Management. All these courses are online. Their fee starts at 600 Qatari Riyals. Icon Training Center in Qatar also offers many courses related to management. At the end of their course, you will receive a certificate that is attested by Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Chamber of Commerce in Qatar. So that is an advantage that it is government certified certifications that they provide after your course completion. And their course fee starts at 600 Riyals. This is the starting point. The fee may vary according to the course. There is huge list of managerial courses that they are offering. Namely, some of them is human resource management, supervisory management, business management, project management, accounting and finance, and the list is very long. You can check it on the website. If anyone is interested in accounting and finance, technology, marketing, creativity, these kind of certifications, then Farand Training Center can be your option. And their course fee starts from 200 Riyals. You can check on their website. Texas Training Center can be your option if you are interested in some healthcare management courses, retail management, airport management, supervisory management, this kind of courses, then Texas Training Center can be your choice. Excellence Training Center is a good option if you are interested in accounting and finance, teacher training qualifications, fitness and nutrition, food and beverages. These are some courses which are not offered by many other institutes in Qatar. If you are interested in fitness and nutrition, teaching, aviation and art and design courses, then Excellence Training Center is a good choice. Now if we move to design and graphics category, students or anyone who is interested in design and graphics can go for that are offered by Virginia Commonwealth University in Qatar. They are holding a summer art and design program for high school students. The program's curriculum is actually developed to enhance students' artistic and design knowledge while preparing them for applying to a study art and design school. They also help them in preparing their portfolio, and the courses they are offering include fashion design, graphic design, interior design, painting and printmaking. Course fee starts from 3000 Riyal, which is quite high, but I'm sure the courses they are offering would definitely worth this price. Art and design courses are also offered by Excellence Training Center. So you can check both of these institutes for art and design and graphics certifications. So the fourth section is related to other language courses. So if you are interested in learning French language, the French Institute of Qatar is the best option. They have developed their French courses into two categories. One is basic French and the other one is intensive course. So you can learn French according to your level. They also offer summer sessions. If you want to spend this summer vacation learning French, you can check their website, and the course fee starts from 2,500 Riyal, but they also offer discounts that you can find on their website. If you are interested in learning Arabic language, then Qatar University and Professional Language Center Qatar are good choice. And for those who are interested in spoken Arabic, Excellence Training Center and Texas Training Center has specialized courses for spoken Arabic, so you can check these two institutes. So this was my short video regarding the online courses available in Qatar, and this is the need of hour for sure, and no harm if you have time and you can spend on learning some new skill or to enhance whatever you have already learned. And these are all available online, which you can go for them by staying at your home at your own convenience. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, and not to mention, do subscribe this channel. Please share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care.